How can I create a matte look like I'm wearing foundation without wearing foundation? It's very easy. I use that will make your skin look like you wear foundation. So I'll bring it closer. You can see. No, I don't have foundation now. There's a few things I do for my skin, but if you want that like a foundation look, dermabrightening, one of the best treatment. If you want to find out more about it, let me know. You will love this treatment, and it's very high demand and very popular. All my girls like, please, can you book me in? Can you book me in? So you only need once a month, and you will have like a foundation look. Beautiful. I like it. I like the way the skin feels. To make a skin look healthy, you need to do once a month full deep facial, and then to do anti-aging microneedling treatment, or even better, mesotherapy. I love mesotherapy. I cannot say it enough how much I love it. It plump your skin, it bring your skin alive, and whatever creams, serums you use afterwards, your skin will absorb. As I mentioned on my videos, how important facial masks. Facial masks are brilliant. They nourish the skin. Your skin will be plumped because you're constantly feeding with nutrients, minerals, amino acids, hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, A, and your skin will look very, very nice. And that's why I like this industry. I love aesthetic, and I'm so happy I opened my aesthetic clinic and can help so many women glow and feel wow. Isn't it amazing? I think it is. Thank you. Bye.